Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to get duplicate page on Freepik Designer. So if you create many things here, if you create many things, you can copy more time. Like here you can see this is one page, but I want to make it duplicate. So first of all, what you need to do, you can make duplicate page two ways. Here you can see the option uh, duplicate page or copy page. It means this page will be copy. Oh, I can say this is page 1, page 2, or you can get here, click here and make it duplicate. So it's a duplicate page. So now you can work here other things, but if you forgot or missing something, then you can restore from another page. So for working purpose, you can make duplicate page so that if something happen, then you can work other page also. So this way you can get the duplicate page on Freepik Designer. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.